Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John. Usually what we do on this channel is all about savings, looking for discounted items, sales items, promotion items, and sometimes I do a review on certain items that I purchased or sometimes it's sent to me, and sometimes I do maintenance on my car. So if that's something you're interested, you come to the right channel. Um, just sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. So in this video, what I'll be talking about is recently I signed up for the T-Mobile $10 business unlimited tablet line. So basically, I'm not going to talk about the whole process, but it took me almost like 2 hours just to get the plan, the correct plan, because the rep at the store didn't really know what she was doing. She had to call the 1-800 numbers and then it, on and on. But the 1-800 number was able to create the account and add the things. So basically, in this video, I just want to know, am I going to be able to use the SIM that's provided to me for the tablet data only in a phone? And so far, I just put I removed the SIM from the iPad and I placed it into my spare phone, which happens to a 5G phone. This is Nord Plus, I think N200 or something like that. Bought it for pretty cheap. And I'm going to show you guys the speed test on this one. Okay, and earlier I tested out and I think I got like about over 200. So look at that. 260, 240. Awesome. This is a 5G speed. So reason why I want to get this line is because sometimes, like when I travel with my little boy, he wants to watch YouTube, and then for long distance, like the last time we went to San Diego, if no internet, I don't want to tether from my phone because my battery will get hot and all that stuff. So I'm thinking $10 a month for my little boy. I think it's worth it because it's unlimited and it also had high-speed internet data, all the stuff. And upload speed is not bad. It's 17 megabyte per second. So for $10 a month, this is awesome. I'm going to do another test so you guys see how consistent it is. Here it shows that I have full bars. So I might get more or less depending on how close to the tower. Again, I don't know how long T-Mobile will allow me to place the SIM in this phone, or I don't know if they're gonna call me, or I don't know if they're just gonna disconnect the line. But I'm gonna leave it in here, and I'm gonna see what's the outcome will be. So I'll keep you guys posted. So if you're interested in knowing the results, make sure you like the video, subscribe. Well, one more thing I want to talk about this. So the fact that this phone has only data, and I downloaded an app. I'm not sure if you guys are aware of it, but it's called Text Now. Basically, it's this number. It's an app. You download it, Text Now. It takes about maybe less than 2 minutes, depending on your speed, your connections, and then you just register. And you can pretty much have your own number, and you can. This one, Text Now, is give you unlimited talk and text. So the fact that this one has data, and I use the app, I think I should be fine. I will be testing it out too as well, and just to see how the call quality is. You know what? Maybe I can just test it out here, and we're gonna see it. I'm gonna call my work phone. Is it ringing? How come it's not ringing? It's ringing, but it's not. I don't know. That's weird. Okay, I'm gonna try to call my Google Voice. Let's see. See if my Google Voice ring. Something's not right. So I don't know why. Oh, there's a lag. Now he comes in. Hello? 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 Yep, you can hear it, but it's very staticky. I guess maybe because I'm close by or something. So there you go. So I'm gonna try it out. I see how it is, and then I'll keep you guys posted. That's pretty much it for this video. I just want to make a real quick one just to see if the unlimited business data plan from T-Mobile while they're working the 5G or 4G cellular phone. And as of now, it does work. But how long will it work? Who knows? All right. Other than that, thank you. I'll see you guys in the next video.